In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no internet connection on TikTok. Simply go on the home screen, go on the settings, type on the search bar the word manage, enter, select permission manager, go on app information, find the application TikTok, select on that, and go to the permissions. Here you can see we have camera permissions. Just simply select all those information and approve the permissions. After selecting all the permissions, go back. Go on to storage and cache, select clear cache. After clearing the cache, just simply go on home and go again on the TikTok application. After going to the TikTok application, just simply refresh the TikTok. Select retry and then you can see now that the TikTok is working. And that's about it. That's how to fix no internet connection on TikTok. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out.